go.
1, 2, 3, 4,
No,
5.
1,
2,
Go, Brooklyn. Go,
three,
go, go, go.
3,
3,
4,
4,
Get eggs. Go get them.
5.
4.5, 5.
Come here, carrot. I got the carrot.
Get them. Get the eggs. Pick up the eggs. Careful.
Watch it. Please watch it.
Drop an egg.
I'm still going over here.
Keep going. There's some right there before.
Can I please get that?
These baskets are kind of bad. 'Cause they
Well, mine is
Thank you.
full.
Put it in.
Dad, can you get that blue one down for me? Oh, I didn't notice that one. Can you get that green one down for me? Hi, Beth. Thank you. Ooh, Mom, you didn't notice this one.
Oh, cool.
Brooklyn, give me that one back. Give it.
No fighting, Easton. It's okay.
That wasn't nice. She's mean.
It's okay, Easton. You're fine.
If she wouldn't said anything, I would have not even noticed. I see some more.
Me too.
Easton, you just dropped one.
What?
No, Brooklyn, that's his. Tip your basket because you're lopsided. You put them in and they just roll out.
Where mine? Where's the barn? Oh, hey. Who's going to grab me this one? Hey. Wait, I can. Hey. Look how full my basket is.
Wow. I see
Ooh, a bouncy ball. No, that's not mine.
one. I see another one.
There.
I see a
Oh,
bunch.
I see it.
And I see a lot.
Yeah, I'll grab it for you. Sorry. Where's mine? Where is that? He's burying them.
He must have had a tall rabbit.
I got mine.
Or he can jump really well.
Where mine? I can't jump that high. I see all of them. Oh, Dad, can you give me that army one? Ow.
Don't jump on her shirt, please.
I'll get them.
That one for each of us. Yes. Oh man, that is hot.
Is it hot? The egg's hot?
Here, feel it. Oh, these are hot. Is there any more? There's some up there.
I'll get him.
No, I got a carrot up there. I want one up there too.
You're welcome.
It fell. Whoa.
No, that's Boston's.
I think.
Sure, you can have it.
I still see one.
Yes, put it in your basket.
I need some more.
Oh, I still see another one.
Whoa! Excuse me. Sorry. Pardon me. Sorry. Oh. And I still see another one. Oh, wow. Look. I'm going to hold my basket like this. That's mine. Brooklyn, give it back. Do you see any more over here?
I'm looking.
Okay. That's all of them. That's all of them, guys.
We found them all.
Okay, show me your basket, Brooklyn. Look at me and smile. your basket.
Why did you look over there and smile? Let me try to shoot this. Cheese! I found one.